When I first learned that we were pregnant and we were going to have a baby, it was very overwhelming, very exciting, but very scary. You know, we waited for such a long time to get to that point that I was like, is this really happening? I mean, it was just crazy. It was very exciting, but very nerve-wracking at the same time. I chose you to be my doctor because I had seen you in Glenwood multiple times. You and I have been good friends for many years as well, and it was what I wanted, and it was worth the hour-and-a-half drive as often as we've done it for you to be my doctor.
Well, I was very happy for you guys when you found out you were pregnant because we had been working together for some time. I felt really lucky and privileged to be able to take care of you during your pregnancy. I loved seeing you every time you came in.
So we started this whole pregnancy with we were going to do a natural birth and it was going to be great, and that was the expectation. And then as time went on and we learned of my condition,
I wanted you to have that experience of having a natural birth, but you had to have a vasa previa, which of course that's not a possibility. The vessels of the placenta are lying over the cervix, and so the concern is obviously if you went into labor and that cervix started to dilate, that those vessels would start bleeding, which would be catastrophic for both you and the baby. You know, I think that you're great in how you took that, and knowing that you would have to have a C-section, knowing that you would have to be in the hospital before you gave birth because of the risk of if you went into labor in Glenwood Springs, and just knowing that you were going to have a baby in the NICU.
At first it was a little scary. At the same time, I felt very well taken care of. If I had questions, I asked, and you were great to answer, and always made me feel better about it. If I was freaking out or having a moment, I knew that I could ask you and you would just tell me, don't freak out, it's okay. And I'd feel so much better.
Well, I just admire you for getting through your pregnancy and delivery, and always having a positive attitude and keeping everyone who took care of you laughing. So, Piper's is going to be very lucky to have you as a